अब मुझे पता चल रहा है ये प्रोडक्ट ना वायरल क्यों गया था। दिस इज ट्रूली एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट। हाय गाइस, दिस इज पालवी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ दिस प्रोडक्ट। Yes, this is Prolixer Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. Guys, this has become an internet sensation like everywhere. सब जगह पे छाया हुआ है। इंस्टाग्राम देख लो, फेसबुक, यूट्यूब, एवरीवेयर दिस इज द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट प्रोडक्ट। सो चलिए देखते हैं इस वीडियो में कि वाई पीपल आर गोइंग क्रेजी अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट। सो सबसे पहले इसके पैकिंग के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। तो पैकिंग देखा जाए तो मुझे ये ऐसे हार्ड कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स में रिसीव हुआ था एंड दिस लुक्स सो अपीलिंग, बहुत ही सही लग रहा। ब्रांड का नेम इज मेंशन Prolixer। ओके, सो इसके अंदर एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट है इसमें ये वाला, sorry, and there was one leaflet also. There's one leaflet here where all the information is mentioned about the product, like do's and don'ts. Everything is mentioned on this. Be your own kind of beautiful. So ये है and some beautiful stuff guys, beautiful packing. So अभी अंदर से देखो तो this is the actual packing of the product. So this is soft cardboard packing and इसमें सारे information mentioned है, like what does the product claim, ingredients, conditions, how to use, the manufacturing, expiry date, everything is mentioned on the product outside packing. And अंदर से this comes in this glass jar, I mean glass tub you can say. वेरी क्यूट पैकिंग गाइज। एक तो ये लाइट पिंक कलर सो अपीलिंग गाइज, बहुत ही सही पैकिंग है एंड द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक। along with this you also get this small applicator and the product the brand name is mentioned here. So now talking about the claims which the product makes, it deeply hydrates, detoxifies and brightens, protect against pollution, tighten pores and boost radiance. So these are the claims which the product makes. So now let's talk about the key ingredients of this product. It has diatomaceous earth, it has vitamin C, tea tree oil, activated charcoal, it has hyaluronic acid and sea algae. So diatomaceous earth is something which helps in tightening up the large pores. Then it has vitamin C. Vitamin C, we all know the entire beauty world is gaga on using vitamin C products because it gives a instant glow to your skin, brightens up your skin, and boosts your radiance. Then it has tea tree oil and activated charcoal. These two things helps in removing the dirt, oil, impurities जो भी है आपके फेस से वो रिमूव करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. Then it has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is something which combats dryness, आपकी स्किन को hydrated रखता है. And sea algae. Sea algae, the product is named on sea algae because it helps in taking out all the toxins from your skin, like detoxifying your skin completely and cleansing it properly. So ये सारे इसके key ingredients है. This product is also paraben free, so it is safe to use. And another thing is this is also cruelty free guys. The product is not tested on animals and the materials with which the product is made is recyclable materials, so that's very good from environment point of view. Now let's talk about the consistency and fragrance. So consistency इसके normal face packs type है, लेकिन ऐसा बोला गया in case it dries out while using, so you can use rose water and use this product. इससे उसका कोई भी formula नहीं change होगा. And fragrance की बात करें, this is just heavenly guys. This got an awesome fragrance, awesome. Yes, this product is suitable for all skin types. कोई भी skin वाले हो, oily, combination, dry skin, you can go for this product. So now coming to the price and quantity of this product. So this is 50 grams of the product and it is priced at 1490 rupees. So first clean your face and after that apply this generous layer of mask on this cleansed skin. Spread the mask evenly on your face and when done, you just have to sit back and relax for 10 minutes. After the mask dries off, you remove the clay mask with warm wet towel. This is how my skin looks after removing the mask. It looks fresh and glowing, right?
Yes, now do not forget to use a moisturizer to pamper your skin.
So now coming to the review and my experience with this products. So I have been using this product for like 2.5 weeks now, and I can clearly say guys, this is just a wonderful product. आपको यूज़ करने के like पहले बार में ही पता चल जाएगा. You'll get to see the amazing glow, you know, एक radiance, वो brightening effect. But what amazed me more here is the instant tightening of pores. Seriously guys, I mean there are many products who claims for it, but this really works on that. बहुत times I was looking for such kind of product who, you know, works on tightening up the pores, and I'm so happy that I finally got this product. So this works on your pores, this brightens up your skin. It along with that it also detoxifies your skin, like जितने भी impurities है, dirt, oil वगैरह वो सबको निकालता है, and you will see yourself having a fresh looking face, and वो बहुत अच्छा feeling लगता है. आप इसको use करने के बाद जो दिखते हो अपने आप को beautiful, you'll just love yourself. So if you are looking for anything जिससे आपको एक instant glow, you know, instant tightening of pores का effect चाहिए, like especially if you're having a dull face and you need an instant boost of radiance, go for this guys, go for this. I'll highly recommend this product. Because already मैंने काफ़ी कुछ डिस्कस कर दिया है इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में throughout the video, but I'll still try to recollect. First, this packing wise, this is an awesome product, just an amazing packing. Second, this is suitable for all skin types. Third, this product is free from parabens. Fourth, this product is also cruelty free, it is not tested on animals. Fifth, the main important thing, the boost of radiance you will get to notice once you use this product. Sixth, this product works on your pores, it helps in tightening up your pores. 7, this really detoxifies your you know, skin from all the impurities you have. 7th, it has got an awesome fragrance guys. और भी बहुत कुछ है. I have just summed it up to the very important ones which you should really look for in this product. So now coming to the con of this product, I find this product to be little expensive. A 50 mg product is priced at 1490 rupees. For me that's high. With this, I wanted to mention that Prolixer site has 40% off going on. Currently, this product is priced at 999 rupees. If the company considers keeping this as a constant price, guys, this is going to be a massive hit. It's a mind-blowing product, and I highly recommend. You should definitely try your hands on this product. This is available at all your beauty websites like Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal. All the details and the purchase links I'll be sharing in the description box. Do go ahead and check out guys. Alright, this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you all in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye. Take care. Love you all.